Does your home feel more cookie cutter than custom? You deserve a space that reflects you. And we're sharing 5 easy and budget-friendly ways to transform your house into a home. And you won't want to miss tip number 5. It's a secret that top designers use to make any home stand out. Let's talk about your walls, the largest blank canvas in your home. Adding treatments like paneling, wainscoting, or wallpaper is a simple yet transformative way to bring depth, texture, and personality to any space. Paneling such as board and batten or shiplap is a timeless option for creating architectural interest. And it's surprisingly DIY friendly and can be customized with any paint color to reflect your style. And wallpaper, having a major comeback. From bold statement walls to subtle textured prints, wallpaper instantly elevates your space. And pro tip, peel and stick wallpaper is perfect for renters or anyone wanting a temporary yet stunning look. In our home, we're combining both treatments to create a moody Hamptons vibe. We plan to add wainscoting to our entryway for a touch of timeless elegance. It's a DIY project that's both impactful and approachable. Upstairs, we're designing a bold and playful look for our girls' water closet. It's a small space with big potential, and I can't wait to make it stand out. I'll be sharing all these projects right here on this channel, so stay tuned. Let's dive into lighting. While builder-grade fixtures get the job done, they often lack personality. Swapping them out for unique, stylish options is an easy and impactful DIY project that instantly elevates your space. Best of all, many fixtures are simple to install, so you likely won't need an electrician. Lighting is a fantastic way to showcase your style, whether you're drawn to sleek, modern designs, vintage-inspired pieces, or bold, dramatic chandeliers. It's also a powerful tool for tying rooms together. For instance, in our home, I've incorporated fluted glass into the pendants over our island and dining table. I extended this design element to our outdoor dining area, creating a cohesive flow between spaces. If you're building or renovating, lighting design is an excellent way to achieve a truly custom look. For our build, I created a personalized lighting plan to enhance the overall design. If you're interested in learning more about how to create a custom lighting plan, let me know in the comments, and I'd love to make a dedicated video on this topic. Bathrooms are often the most overlooked space when it comes to customization, but with just one simple change, you can make a huge difference. Start by swapping out those basic builder-grade mirrors for something with more personality. And if taking down the entire mirror is a bit too overwhelming, then don't. Just add a stylish frame to instantly elevate the look. Don't underestimate the impact of a simple piece of trim. It can totally transform the space. But if you do have a little extra time, skill, or budget, consider upgrading to a mirror with a built-in light. There are so many great options now with LED backlighting, which adds ambiance and a touch of luxury, or even makeup mirrors with lighting for precision and function. This small upgrade delivers a big impact, bringing elegance and a designer feel to your bathroom. You've probably heard this before. Hardware is the jewelry of your home, and it's absolutely true. Swapping out basic cabinet knobs and drawer pulls and drawer handles is one of the easiest and most DIY-friendly upgrades you can make. Plus, there's an endless variety of styles to choose from, whether you prefer matte black, brass, or even crystal finishes. In our new home, we're upgrading all the builder-grade hardware to brass knurled knobs and pulls. Yes, they're trending right now, but for good reason. We're investing in high-quality, timeless hardware made from materials that will wear beautifully and only improve the aesthetic over time. And it's not just about the looks. Think about the user experience too. Our solid brass choices offer a subtle tactile feel that makes a real difference when you use them. Lower quality options may feel flimsy or cheap, which can really detract from the overall experience of your home. One thing to watch out for when upgrading high-touch items like kitchen hardware is that it's worth spending a little bit more. Cheap hardware will show its wear quickly, so opt for quality to make sure it holds up over time. Now, let's talk about the 5th wall, or your ceiling. This often overlooked space is actually a hidden gem, full of potential to add personality and style to your room. Adding beams or creating a coffered ceiling effect brings incredible drama, though these projects will be a bit more complex. If you're looking for a simpler option, wallpaper, or a bold paint color can have significant designer impact without all the effort. Don't underestimate the power of a striking color or pattern on your ceiling. Finish off the look with a statement light fixture or a ceiling medallion to really elevate the space. Ceilings are one of the most overlooked areas in home design, but they offer an amazing opportunity to add style and character to your room. And there you have it, 5 easy ways to make your home feel more custom. Which of these will you try first? We will be using many of these to customize our new home build, and we would love to have you stick around to see how we put them all to use. See you in the next one.